Hi, welcome to another Fun Friday. This time we are going to drag you kicking and screaming into the 2000s, admittedly only as far as 2006, but it's Pink and Who Knew? Remember, I'm not teaching you how to play piano here. I haven't got time. There's plenty of videos on the internet that will do that for you. I'm here to show you the notes that I use to remind me how to play it in a band. So feel free to screen grab that and use it for yourself. Make any changes so you know what to do if you want to play it. Best way you can thank me for this is a like and a subscribe. So let's get on with it. First things first, the sounds I'm using. It's strings, but there's two layers to it. There's this legato string, and if I press harder, I get a spiccato string on top of it as well. That will come in useful when we get to the verse, the chorus. You might hear it in the verse. First note is the introduction and the verse 1 is led by guitar and the vocals. If you need to play the chords over the top, which you will do in verse 2 anyway, it just sits on an A, but with C sharp at the top, and then it adds the E and takes it off. Just keeps doing that. And then we might as well learn the verse while we're here. It does a run up. Told you you'd hear the spiccato. So A, B, C sharp to a B minor, F sharp minor, E. Play those all in first position. It's the easiest way to do it, and it sounds sort of right. So you go. And then when you're leading into the chorus, do a bit of a build so you can probably hear my table rattling there. And we are then into the chorus. This is interesting because what you do is play effectively, it's E over D. So in the notes there, in the slightly darker grey below, I've put in brackets the two notes that you start with above the root note. So if you've got D in the root, you're starting on an E and a G sharp with the right hand. And what that actually does is goes up to the A. Then you do E with E and G sharp, and then F sharp with F sharp and A, and then A in the root with E and A on top. So we've got what you've got to now remember is to do the offbeat spiccatos. So it should sound like a bit like this. You end on an E, and then you're back to the verse. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe is the only thanks I need, and much appreciated. I will see you next week. Bye for now.